Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be sharing with you some amazing recipes for making a famous and trending Nigerian delicacy that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. If you're looking to try something new or just wanting to impress your friends and family, then this is the perfect video for you. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Introducing the dish. The dish we're going to be making today is jollof rice. This dish is a staple in Nigerian cuisine and is enjoyed all across West Africa. It's a beautiful combination of rice, tomatoes, spices, and meats, making it the perfect hearty meal for any occasion. Segment 2. Ingredients and preparation. To make jollof rice, you'll need the following ingredients. 1. 2 cups of long grain rice. 2 to 3 fresh tomatoes. 3. 1 onion. 4. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 5. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 6. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 7. 1 tablespoon of thyme. 8. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. 9. Salt to taste. 10. 2 cups of chicken or beef broth. 11. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To prepare the dish. 1. Wash the rice thoroughly and set it aside to drain. 2. Blend the tomatoes and onions until they form a smooth paste. 3. In a large pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat and add the tomato paste. 4. Stir for about 2 to 3 minutes until the tomato paste thickens. 5. Add the blended tomato and onion mixture to the pot and stir. 6. Add ginger, garlic, thyme, curry powder, and salt to the pot and stir. 7. Add the broth to the pot and bring it to a boil. 8. Once boiling, add the rice to the pot and stir. 9. Reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. 10. Let the rice cook for 20 to 25 minutes until it's tender and all the liquid has been absorbed. 11. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it with a fork and serve it hot. Segment 3. Variations. Jollof rice is a versatile dish, and you can make it in many different ways. Some popular variations include adding meats like chicken, beef, or shrimp to the dish. You can also add vegetables like carrots, peas, or bell peppers to the rice to make it more colorful and nutritious. Segment 4. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips and tricks to make sure your jollof rice comes out perfect every time. 1. Use long grain rice for the best results. 2. Make sure to wash the rice thoroughly before cooking it. 3. Don't open the lid while the rice is cooking to ensure that the steam stays inside the pot. 4. Use chicken or beef broth instead of water for a more flavorful rice. 5. Add a little bit of cayenne pepper or hot sauce for some extra heat. And there you have it, folks. Some amazing recipes for making the famous and trending Nigerian delicacy jollof rice. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and give these recipes a try. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know how it turned out for you. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. At MC Exponent. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.